Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see a very important DAX concept, that is difference between EDATE and parallel period. So here you can see this is our orders table. Okay, so what I want to get, if I select any date, I should get 30 days sales before that. Okay, before 1 month sales I want to get. Okay, from that selected date. So here you can see this is the DAX for EDATE. So how it is working? I am selecting the order date. Max of order date means whatever date I am selecting, it is the maximum value of that. That means it is working like selected value. Okay. Then returning what? Returning sum of sales. Then I removed all the filters from orders table. Then dates between. So what is the syntax of dates between? First it will take date column, then starting date and ending date. So in our case, starting date date column is order date, then our starting date. What is our starting date? This is our max date, that means it is our starting date, minus 1. That means if it is 17th of December, it will take 16th of December. But what EDATE is doing? So EDATE goes exactly 30 days before of that selecting date. So if I selected 17th of December, and it will EDATE, what it will do? EDATE, it will go 17th of November, right? I am doing minus 1, it will go something like 15th of November, something like that. Okay, so this is our starting date. So 15th of November is our starting date. And what is our ending date? Selected date. So selected date is 17th of December minus 1. That means 16th of December. So how much sales it will provide? It will provide 16th of November sales to 16th of December sales. It will provide. Okay. Now, if I go to parallel period, here you can see simple calculation, sum of sales, parallel period, order date minus 1 month. That means it will go 1 month before. Okay, so if I show you the difference, so if I my starting date here is 1st of January 2012. So if I click on 3rd of January, here you can see what it is doing. EDATE is summing up 1st of January sales, 2nd of January sales, because my maximum value is selected value minus 1, right? And it will go 30 days before that, means 2nd January to 30 days before that. But it is not getting that data because starting date is 1st January. So it is giving me the 1100 only. Okay, if I click on 7, that means it will go 30 days before 7, right? But here you can see in parallel period it is showing blank. Why? Let's see. In parallel period, if you click, so it is also 1 month before, but it is not so dynamic. Okay, so what it will do? It will go exactly 1 month, not day by day. How in EDATE what it is doing? It is going day by day, 30 days before, right? So if it is 18th of December, it will go 17th of November to 18th of December. If it is 19th of December, it will take 18th of November to 19th of December. But in this parallel period, it is not the case. So what it will do? If I go to February 1st, here you can see February 1st it is working. So in February 1st, both data is same, because in February 1st parallel period it is taking all the January data together. Okay, but EDATE it is taking day by day. If I go to 31st of December, parallel period will show blank, and EDATE will show 30 days before that. It is more dynamic. EDATE is more dynamic than parallel period. Okay. So this was the difference between these two DAX functions. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.